Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, children. ये रूम हम लोग का है सब।
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
हाँ नहीं मैंने माइक कहाँ
Ma'am, your
Good
voice
morning,
is not
ma'am.
coming.
Good morning, ma'am.
Wait a minute.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning. Good morning. Good morning, children. Good morning. So, children, we were in the chapter
11.
Distraction and dispersion.
मैम आपका वॉइस कट क्या
Okay, just wait a minute. Yes, wait a minute. Now, children, are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम आपका वॉइस कट क्या
One question we had to discuss regarding do you know, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Voice clear नहीं आ रहा है. अच्छा देखिए. Just see. Wait. Now is it okay? Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
problem isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
That what
Yes,
is the reason?
जंगली तो है आप
मैम your voice is not coming
Ma'am,
clear.
you are not audible.
मैम आपका वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है.
मैम your voice is not coming clear.
मैम आपका वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है.
Reflection of light. Clearly it is not coming. Okay, wait a minute. Wait. Now, hello. Can you all hear me? Is it okay?
Ma'am, तो घबरा के आवाज आ रहा
No,
है.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is not clear.
It is not clear, but here there is no problem being showing you. Hello. Can
Ma'am,
you
अब ठीक
hear
है?
my voice now?
Yes, ma'am. अब ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. It's
Might
okay.
be from the just it can be a network issue. Now, children, do you understand atmospheric refraction of starlight? Atmospheric
ma'am.
refraction, what do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Listen, one thing. हाँ बोलो.
The light
Tell
of the
me.
star gets refracted when it enters the different layers of the Earth's atmosphere.
Yes, yes. When it is traveling in different layers, because we all know that there are different layers in the atmosphere, and from where the light is reaching our surface of the Earth, it is
From the
reaching
Earth.
from vacuum.
Rarer to denser.
Vacuum. So that is why, due to difference in the atmospheric refraction, due to reaching of the sunlight in different layers of the Earth, we are getting this twinkling of the stars. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So don't go to very detail of this topic. You all will study about it all in class 9th and 10th. But just for the reason what it is given, I have just told you. Then after that, it is also written that this is also due to this atmospheric refraction only, that when we are looking from above the surface of the Earth, we are getting the duration of sunset and sunrise 2 minutes earlier. And that is why
Yes, ma'am.
there is a difference in 4 minutes every day. 2 minutes you will get the sunrise earlier, and 2 minutes the sunset. That is why this difference is all due to atmospheric refraction. On the whole, you understand like this, that the whole reason behind twinkling of the stars and difference in the rising and setting up of the sun is due to the refraction of light. Is it clear to all of you children now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ठीक है. Then we will come to the next topic. Now, we were in the dispersion, lenses. Dispersion we had discussed yesterday, isn't
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Okay. Then today we are going to, and all of you are
Ma'am,
remembering
please
all the
explain
definitions
this again.
related to it. Is it clear to all of you? All the definition term I am talking about.
Yes, ma'am.
Please respond. Voice is going. Can you all hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Then I am asking that. Then I am asking that. Do you all know the definition terms which are related to your lenses?
Yes, ma'am.
Like,
Yes, ma'am.
like center of curvature.
Yes, ma'am.
One of you just a quick
Yes,
revision.
ma'am.
One of you please tell.
Center of curvature is the center
Like
of the sphere
the
of
center
which
of
given length is a part of.
surfaces.
Okay, Navya, you please tell the definition, Navya.
Yes, ma'am. Center of curvature is the center of the sphere of which given length is a part.
Okay, Sarah. Radius of
Yes,
curvature.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Radius of curvature, the radii of two spheres of which the lens surface are a part of.
Then Anurag Anand, you tell me what is principal
Yes, ma'am.
axis?
The line joining the center of curvature of the two sphere of the lens is known as principal axis.
Okay, then we will come to principal focus. Kavish, you tell.
Yes, ma'am. If a beam of rays or all parallel to the principal axis of a lens falls on the lens, all such rays either all converge or all appear to diverge from a point on its principal axis. We call this point as the principal focus of the lens.
Okay, next, Yashvi, please tell me what is focal length.
The distance between the second principal focus from the optical center of a lens is known as second focal length of the lens.
Okay, now children, while you are preparing for the exam, just keep your concept clear with the help of the diagram. Just support your answer with the diagram. Okay? If it is coming in definition or explanation also. Okay, then we will come to the next topic.
Ma'am,
What is that?
I have a
Rules
question.
of refraction of
Ma'am,
lens. Three special rays. Three
Ma'am, I have a
special rays
question.
are just related to the rules. Now, who will just tell me the first rule? Vashvi,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the
Yes,
first rule of the first special ray of lens.
Yes, ma'am.
Regarding first
An
one.
incident ray parallel to the principal axis passes through the second principal focus of the lens.
Okay, very good. Sacham, Maria. Sacham, you tell me the second rule, second special ray.
A ray of light bends away from the normal when it goes obliquely from an optically denser medium to an optically rarer medium.
No, not this one. That is refraction of light, beta. This is about your convex lens, three special rays.
Ma'am, may I?
Three special rays,
may
I'm
I?
talking about the second one.
May I?
Ankit
Ma'am, may I?
Anand,
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
I'm talking.
May I?
May I, Sudhanshu?
Okay, Vashvi, you tell.
yes,
Vashvi, you
ma'am. An
tell.
incident ray passing through the optical center of the lens goes
Goes.
undeviated from
Okay.
the lens.
Then third rule. Narayani.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Narayani.
Ma'am, may I?
An incident ray passes the principal
Okay,
focus
all of you will get the chance. Wait a minute.
toward it become parallel to the principal axis after reflection from the lens.
Okay, very good. Now, children, I want that all of you just take your copy and note down the position of the object and draw the diagram and write the nature and position of the image. I am writing on the blackboard. Now I am writing on the blackboard, children. You just note down the position. Okay? All of you please concentrate on the blackboard.
Yes, ma'am.
Because here this one is very much essential that you all draw the real diagram. First one, conventions. First situation is object at infinity. Write down, draw the diagram also and write down nature and position of the image also. Second, object at the point of the lens. Object at the
डायग्राम भी ड्रॉ करना है ना
Object kept at the 2F point of the F point of the lens. And the last one, should I have the first one?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
First,
मैम थोड़ा सा ब्लर हो रहा है.
Ma'am, please take the questions. Ma'am, please
object
take the
at
questions.
infinity. Object at infinity. Object at 2F point of the lens. Object at 2F point of the lens. Object kept at the first principal focus of the lens. Object between the optical center and the F point of the lens. Object between the optical.
मैम please repeat second and third.
Yes, I will. Just let me finish it on the blackboard. Between the optical center and second is object and 2F point of the lens. Object at 2F point of the lens. Then third one is object at first principal focus of the lens. Object second is
please,
the object
repeat
at
the
2F
third
point of
one.
the lens. Third
Ma'am,
is
please,
the object
repeat.
kept at the first principal focus of the lens. And fourth one is object between optical center and the F point of the lens.
मैम फिगर भी ड्रॉ करना है.
हाँ, फिगर ड्रॉ करना है बेटा. Just for practice. It is just for practice.
Ma'am, fourth one is object between the 2F and F.
Object is between optical center and F. Optical
Okay, ma'am.
center and F. Just raise your hand after completing. One by one, if you complete, you can tell also. एक कंप्लीट करते जाओ, बताते जाओ. First one, anyone has completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us in the meantime discuss also. First one, you can show on the screen. Those who have drawn. एक करके आप स्क्रीन दिखाइए. Object is at infinity. Who has done? Come on the screen. Yes, correct. Yes. What is the nature and position of the image? Nature and position of the image. Yes, first one is correct, beta.
Position
Whoever is there.
and nature is diminished point size image and
It
real.
is like a point
It is real, inverted, and almost like a point, and it is formed between on the focus, second focus.
On the focus. Yes, correct. Yeah, those who are showing. Yes, it is correct. Next one. Second one. Second question. Second was your object at 2F point of the lens.
Nature real and inverted at the 2F point on the other side of the lens position.
Loudly.
Nature
Show the diagram.
real and inverted position at the 2F point on the other side of the lens.
Yes. When the object is at 2F point, the image will always also be formed at 2F point. And it will be which type? Real or virtual?
Real.
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 Inverted and as the same as size as the object. Same size as the
Okay,
object.
very
And formed
good.
at 2F point on the either side.
Okay. Next, the third one. Object kept at first principal focus of the or F point of the lens.
Real,
has done
inverted,
that?
and formed at
Real,
infinity.
inverted, and magnified.
Real, inverted, and
But
formed at
magnified.
infinity and
The
magnified.
image formed is at
The
infinity.
image formed at infinity, it is real, inverted, and magnified.
Yes, it is real, inverted, and magnified, very far off or at infinity. Diagram, anybody can show this diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Who has done this diagram? Show your diagram. Third one. Yes, correct. Shubh Narayan. Yes, it is correct. Very good. Next one, next question. Let us come to the next one. Object between optical center and F point of the lens. Who will do this one? Who will show?
It is
Ma'am, I will.
Kavish. Show your diagram. Object between the optical center and F point of the lens. Just show your diagram. Anybody who has done this? Fourth one can just come on the screen. Shobh. Very good, Shobh. You are very fast. Very good. What is the nature and position?
Virtual, erect, and diminished, magnified. Virtual, erect, and
Virtual,
magnified.
erect, and magnified. Position.
Formed between
And
F
formed
and
between
2F
M
point of the
and
lens.
2F on the same side. Formed between F and 2F on the same side.
Beyond
of
the F point.
object.
No.
Beyond
Beyond
F
the F
point of the lens on the same
Point on
side.
the same side.
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Beyond the
between
F
F
point,
and
Ananya.
2F. Between
It is
F and 2F.
beyond the F point of the lens and on the same side of the object.
Yes, ma'am.
It is not between. Just see carefully.
Ma'am,
Okay. So children, bolo.
ma'am, it is written that is beyond the F point and in the between of F and 2F.
नहीं कहाँ लिखा हुआ है beyond? It is F and 2F मत बोलो, जो लिखा हुआ है वही बोलिए आप. It is beyond 2F point of the lens and on the same side where the object is. और F और 2F भी बोल सकते हो, लेकिन चूंकि बुक में डायरेक्टली F लिखा हुआ है beyond F, so that is.
मैम वो सारे केस में नहीं होगा F and 2F.
हाँ, इसीलिए beyond लिखा हुआ है. मे बी कुछ केसेस में वो वैरी कर जाएगा, इसीलिए. ठीक है. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
after that, now what about the nature and position of image formed by concave lens? एक concave lens का भी बनाओ. सब लोग एक डायग्राम बनाओ. कहीं भी आप इमेज रखो. Beyond 2F, between F and 2F, all it can be different for all of you. जो अपने मर्जी में है वो बनाइए, लेकिन आप इमेज का पोजीशन डिस्कस करिए कि वो कहाँ बनेगा. वेरी गुड. Either you keep it beyond 2F for concave lens. When you complete it, please tell. For those who have joined just now, please you all practice the ray diagram of concave and convex lenses. Just now I have given you classwork to draw the image for object kept at any position of concave lens. It is on you where you are keeping the object. I just want to show that image will be always same. What will be the position? Position will
It will
be
form that between optical center and F point of the lens.
Between optical center and F point.
And F point.
Okay.
And the
It
image
is
will always virtual erect.
It is virtual, erect, and diminished.
And diminished.
Okay. ठीक है? It will be virtual, erect, and हाँ.
Ma'am, what about keeping the object at infinity?
Why are you going to keep it at infinity? Infinity
because
will be.
the-
Will you see that it is kept at infinity? If you are going to keep it at infinity, is it possible to keep anything
Ma'am,
at
but the
infinity?
space is given for convex lens.
Convex lens, it is not given about the object. It is given about the image. Image के लिए लिखा हुआ है ना, that it will be formed at infinity. But object, we have to see that where we are keeping the object. For in first position, it is said that we are keeping it from infinity. Then in that case also, if we are keeping it at infinity, position will be same, because there is no change in any situation for convex. Okay? Concave, sorry, not convex. Now here one activity is given regarding your candle. How you are going to, just one of you read this activity. Activity 9.
Yes, ma'am. Recall the activity performed in class 7 to study the details of image formation by a concave mirror. A lighted candle and a screen was used for that activity. We can now perform the same activity using a convex lens. Take a convex lens, a small candle, and a thick sheet of paper. Use molding clay or stand to hold the lens as well as the candle in vertical positions. Keep the lighted candle at some distance away from the lens. Put the thick sheet of paper behind the lens on the side opposite to the side on which the candle has been put. Adjust the position of the paper screen till you get a sharp image of the candle flame on the sheet. Now move the candle first gradually towards the lens and then gradually away from the lens. Is the image real or virtual? Is it smaller or larger compared to the flame itself? Record your observations for different positions of the candle in a tabular form. What happens when you replace the convex lens by a concave lens? Is it now possible to obtain the image on the screen?
For your convex lens, when we are going to some noise is coming from the background, children. I think Anushka Kumari, mute your mic. Anushka, mute your mic. So here what you are saying is that when we are going to adjust the position of the image, object, and keeping a convex lens, then what we will just see, according to the position of the object, we can see the change in position of the image also. Like first situation, we can see that whenever we are having this candle, when the image will be formed, if it is at 2f or beyond 2f, the position will be between f and 2f. So what is the question being asked? That when we get the image on the screen, yes, we can get, because the image which is formed by a convex lens is your what? Real image. So we will get it, and according to the adjustment of the light or object, lighted object, that is your candle, we can clearly see the image in the inverted position when we are keeping it at some place beyond 2f or between f and 2f or at 2f. So all these position change. If we are going to change the position, we will see the change in position of the image also. And if we are going to replace it, this convex lens with a concave lens, we will see that this nature and position will be, we are going to change the position of the object, but image will always be formed at the same position. So is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now here is one topic, total internal reflection. As I told you, although it is just explained, almost it is explained to you that this This is due to the difference in when the light rays moves from a medium of higher refractive index to a lower refractive index. That is why it bends away from the normal, and we see that there is an illusion created, and that illusion may be called as mirage in the desert. And these are due to the formation of critical lens. So all these terms you are going to study in detail in your higher classes. You just understand just now about it, that it is due to the change of higher refractive index in one medium to a movement of light ray to a lower refractive index. That is why you see total internal reflection. Clear? So don't go to the detail. All have to just be very highlight. Then we can see it in the desert, where we see the sand dunes and the sky meeting at a point when we are watching that from a distance. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now after that, in this chapter, we are only having one topic left, that is the application of lenses. So it is very easy that we are having this lenses, use of lenses in magnifying glass, microscope, photographic camera, and telescope. Okay? So tomorrow for your homework, please learn the next chapter, that is human eye. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
This is your homework. And children, in this chapter, you have some numerical questions also. Numerical means according to the position and image, how you have to keep the object. And that's also very important. You should just practice. Yeah? Anybody has any queries?
No, ma'am.
no, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Okay, then thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Just
you, ma'am.
note down your homework. To learn with the human eye.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you. Same to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.